in general are one of the largest financial services and global investment companies in the world. The Future Work programme aimed to implement a hybrid working model across all of their 3 UK campus sites and use technology to make them agile, collaborative and attractive spaces to work in. The solution Cisilion provided was nothing short of game-changing. We deployed multiple meeting pods, which is essentially a 2-screen solution with a poly camera. This gives the flexibility of a meeting room feel with the ability to plug and play, to use Teams and not having to book. So we've done some really good stuff with Cisilion outside of London. The atrium area in Hove springs to mind. Massive screen, I think it's like 192 inches with a 3-camera Yealink MTR solution. That's turned essentially a dead space into a studio quality broadcasting area. It's in really high demand.
So the challenges which we had was that a laptop user and a desktop user struggled to use the same desk. There was a lot of unplugging of cables, and then the following day the desktop user would come in and none of the equipment would work. So it caused a lot of frustration, a lot of anger, time was being wasted. The heartbeat and the key part of the solution was introduction of a KVM switch. Allowed the switch from the laptop to the desktop seamlessly.
One of the key benefits of this technical implementation is we've got a demonstrable increase in footfall coming back into the office, engaging with the tech and enjoying the space.
In the morning we were walking around and every user was literally focusing on doing their work, so they didn't actually bother us anymore. We can now focus on being more proactive and efficient in the other support issues that were going on. I cannot say how often I smile inwardly within myself and I think the solution, it works. Cisilion have gone beyond expectations because when I expressed a concern, the project manager, he not only listened, he acted upon it immediately. He made sure that it was implemented according to my specifications, and that meant a lot to me.
For me, Cisilion have gone beyond expectation on this project. There's been several sets of challenges and the way Cisilion have responded to those has been exceptional. It's been a real pleasure delivering the Future Work programme alongside Cisilion. I really do hope we get the chance to deliver something great again.